Days of the week. S U N D A Y. Sunday. M O N D A Y. Monday. T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. T H U R S D A Y. Thursday. F R I D A Y. Friday. S A T U R D A Y. Saturday. Let's again revise the days of the week. M O N D A Y. Monday. Monday is the first day of the week. T U E S D A Y. Monday. Tuesday is the second day of the week. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. Wednesday is the third day of the week. T H U R S D A Y. Thursday. Thursday is the fourth day of the week. F R I D A Y. Friday. Friday is the fifth day of the week. S A T U R D A Y. Saturday. Saturday is the sixth day of the week. S U N D A Y. Sunday. Sunday is the seventh day of the week.